Mucus and blocked throat are the most common troubles for poultry farms. If your broilers and laying hens have heavy throat noise, thick sticky mucus, constant coughing and nose shaking, hard breathing and poor appetite, slow growth and reduced egg production, your whole flock will be easily infected. Bromhexine HCl oral solution works perfectly to clear mucus, soothe respiratory discomfort, reduce cough and noisy breathing, keep chickens breathing smoothly and recover fast. Leave a comment if you need this product. Follow me for more livestock and poultry disease solutions.